friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making pepperoni chips in the air fryer. So to make them, you just need one ingredient, pepperoni slices, and makes crunchy pepperoni chips, which is a perfect keto low-carb chip. So let's take out the air fryer basket and put pepperoni slices in the air fryer basket in a single layer. So now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer, and I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 5 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these pepperoni slices. They're perfectly cooked. And let me take them out of the air fryer. So see, they're very thin now. So I'll just carefully remove them and put them in a paper towel to drain. And now I'm going to spread them in a single layer. So see, they're already all crispy. And now I'm going to leave them like this on a paper towel for 5 minutes until they cool down completely, and I'll get them crispier. So now the pepperoni chips cooled down and they become even crispier and they're ready to eat. So let me just take them out. See, here they're crispy. Nice, crunchy, thin pepperoni chips and no carbs. So this is a perfect chip for a low-carb diet. Looks crispy. Now let's try it. Yummy. Perfect, crunchy, low-carb chip. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!